Hey guys, it's been a while since I've done a Puffco video, but I want to share some information with you guys that might make you reconsider any of your future upgrade purchases in a positive manner. More so to elaborate is that I went on DHGate, and I found everything that these American websites are selling for way more, and it's kind of sad, you know, to be in that kind of place where it's like you see a website charging like $230 for a silicone carbide insert, and or like SiC or whatever you want to call it, like $200. I don't think it's fair to anyone to be charged that, because that shit's fucking poaching to the highest degree. To the highest degree. I don't stand for that bullshit. There's no reason for anyone to get raped and poached by a person that can't be creative and make something of their own. You know, if you want to get on top of some other on a community, you want to help the community. You don't want to fucking poach it. You know, I make coloring books. It's like one of like 7 now or whatever. And I'm coloring, man. Don't matter. Got too much going on these pages to show you each page. But at the same time, cheers. Because we are about to save some money. DHGate. Either way, very helpful to spread knowledge, and I'm not gonna try to help or jump on the train of someone else's stuff. That's where I'm at right now, but let's get alright guys, so we are back at our browser right now, and all you gotta do really is go SiC insert search DHGate. Look at the first search. It's $21 to $37. You get turp pearls. You get some other inserts, $25 for the top price. Okay, you can get $27.99. All right, $29.08, $25.08, $29.08, $37.77. You know, you got all this, and then you go over to 3 gram. Let's check this out. It's just absurd. It is what some people do to get by or whatever, but I don't know. I just don't think it's righteous. Okay. 3G. Okay, they lowered the price. Thank fucking God. It's still $95. Got their masks. Good for them. Good for them. I got my mask somewhere, but it's not close by, I guess. Yeah, so as you can see, this mask is way cooler than this fucking mask, and it comes with a fucking tongue sticking out right there. Yeah, polyester microfiber, washable, fucking nice and whatever, it doesn't matter. Let's go to another one. What's the other one? I can't even remember anymore because I ain't shopping with them. Doesn't matter. Order. bonsai. He's got the rubies for 79, but that's still overpriced. Like, you go back to here. No, you go back to ruby insert Puffco. Yeah, like 44 bucks. I guess those are better than the silicone carbides. Very hard to tell, but yeah, like pricing was a lot better, and it just doesn't make sense. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and I know I did when I first uncovered it, because I was about to think about saving up for that shit, and I was like, let me check DHGate and see what's good. And I checked it, and look, you know, go back. SiC. It's such a hot list. 25 bucks. No one should be paying more than 30 bucks for it. Well, you know, it's absurd, but I hope this was helpful for you. If it wasn't, throw a thumbs down. I hope to find you leaving a comment that I can comment back to, because I don't see how this isn't helpful. But if you see a way that it's not, then go for it. But I'm here waiting for you, so come. But there's nobody saying anything opposing this other than anyone that has any interest in the profits off of people who aren't buying from DHGate. So, yeah, that's it. So I hope you found this helpful. I hope you like this shirt. I made it. And y'all have a great day, night, whatever. I gotta make a rhyme after that, but peace.